BEP Drawing Easy for Kids. Hello, my friends. Today, I'm drawing a car. Let's get started. I love drawing and painting. Please try to draw with me. Let's draw its windows and mirror.
See the world whizzing with a happy grin. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep, off we go. Who knows what we'll find, don't you know? Past the tall trees and buildings so high. Maybe a bird will wave as it flies by. Through twisty roads and tunnels so wide. My car and me on a super fun ride. The smell of fresh rain fills the air. Colorful puddles everywhere.
I'm drawing the lights.
Through with the joyful shout. Our wipers go swish, wiping raindrops out. Buckle up tight, let's take a spin.
I'm drawing its door.
See the world whizzing with a happy grin. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep, off we go.
I'm drawing the wheels.
We might see a rainbow after the storm, arching so bright, a magical form. Or spot a hot air balloon floating up high and wave at the people way up in the sky. The sun sets down with a golden gleam, turning the clouds into a cotton candy dream. Stars come out twinkling oh so bright. We count them all as we drive through the night. Buckle up tight, let's take a spin.
I draw the road.
See the world whizzing with a happy grin. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep, off we go. Who knows what we'll find, don't you know?
I draw the sun.
Buddy, always so true, taking me on journeys old and new. Every mile
I draw a tree.
return a surprise with my car by my side. My heart truly flies. My heart truly flies.
Yellow. Orange.
I car goes vroom, vroom, beep, beep. The wheels go round, it never sleeps. We buckle up with
Gray.
a clack, ready for adventures on the open track. Red light, green light,
Red.
off we go. Up the hills and down real low. Turning, swerving, what a ride with all the best sights
Blue.
by our side, our side. We wave at cows that say big moo, and sheep in fields that say batu. Dogs with floppy ears barking so bright, and birds that tweet with all their might.
Red.
Car can be a rocket ship, zooming to the moon, what a trip. Or maybe it's submarine, exploring oceans deep and serene. Sometimes we pretend it's a flying machine, soaring through clouds, a magical scene. With wings that pop out and propellers that spin. We visit jungles where tigers grin. Red light, green light, off we go. Up the hills and down real
Jade blue.
Swerving, what a ride with all the best sights by our side, our side. We sing silly songs
Red.
at the top of our lungs. Windows roll down, feeling the sun. Maybe we stop for an ice cream treat, the best kind
Black.
of day. You can't beat. Red light, green light, off we go. Up the hills and down real low. Turning, swerving, what a ride with all the best sights by our side. My car's my friend, the best there is, taking me on journeys filled with happy whiz. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep, let's roll. Adventures in my car
Gray.
make my heart feel whole.
Start. My car's my buddy, my best ride. We roll together side by side, with shiny wheels and a honky horn. We start
White.
adventures every morn, but buckle up tight. let's take a spin. See the world
Green.
glisten with a happy grin. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep, off we go. Who knows what we'll find, don't you know? Past the tall trees and
Thank you
buildings
for
so
watching.
high.
See you in the next
Maybe a
video.
bird will wave as it flies by. Through twisty roads and tunnels so wide. My car and me on a super fun ride.